26th. One second. Sum number 26. A flywheel revolves at 100 revolution per minute. A flywheel revolves at 100 revolution per minute. When torque is applied for time 10 seconds, its speed increases to 200 revolution per minute. Find angular acceleration. What is angular acceleration? Rate of change of angular velocity equals to 200 minus 100 upon 10. But see, this is revolution per minute. You have to multiply with 2 pi by 60 so that it becomes radian per second. This conversion clear? Why I multiplied? So that it becomes radian per second. 200 minus 100, you all know it is 100 upon 10 into 2 pi by 60. 1212 pi by 3 radian per second square. Write down pi by 3 radian per second square, option D. You all got same answer earlier also? If you have tried,
Yes.
which answer you could not get?
29.
नहीं 28 भी अच्छा है. 28 आया.
No, sir.
How to use plus minus concept that you followed there?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा.
Sir, can you solve 20?
26 done.
Yes, sir.
27. A pulley 1 meter in diameter. A pulley 1 meter in diameter is rotating at 600 rpm, revolution per minute, is brought to rest. So finally it is zero in time 80 seconds. By applying constant force of friction, how many revolution does it makes before coming to rest? Revolution it makes before coming to rest. If I keep this in revolution, then theta will be also in revolution. Radian, then radian. वो लोग ने बोला revolution before coming to rest. Time is in second. So 600 revolution divided by 60 becomes per second. So it will be nothing but 10 revolution per second initial speed, omega 20 time 80. How many revolution? Revolution you think as displacement, S. Any relation between V, U, A, S? V square equal to or S and U? Any relation? S is ut plus half at square. मालूम है ना ये?
Yes, sir.
In
Yes, sir.
translational motion. तो इसका रोटेशनल विल बिकम थीटा, इसका थीटा, ये ओमेगा 1t प्लस हाफ अल्फा। अभी ओमेगा 1t प्लस हाफ अल्फा, यू कैन राइट ओमेगा 2 minus omega 1 upon t into t square, 1t cancel. Okay, so omega 1 is 10, time is 80 plus half 0 minus 10 into 80, 2 into 40. So this is 800 minus 400 equals to 400. The answer is 400 revolution before it comes to rest. Same answer you all got again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those who have not got, please copy it.
Yes.
27. Done. Can I clear it? 27th?
Yes.
Yes or no? 27th?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 28. Two objects of mass 6 kg, speed 2 meter per second, at distance of 1 meter from origin. This is M2 equals to 8 kg, 3 meter, 1 meter per second is the speed. Find what is angular momentum about O in joule second. Angular momentum is a vector quantity. For anti-clockwise motion, it is taken negative, positive, and for clockwise negative. So first is mass m1, velocity v1, distance r1. What is sense of rotation, clock or anti?
Clock.
Clock, so minus. Next wala m2, v2, r2, but sense of rotation anti, so plus. m1 6, v1 2, r1 plus m1 8 into v2 1 into 3. So minus 12 plus 24 equals to 12 joule second. Answer is coming in plus, that means anti-clockwise. Anti means out of the plane, outward. So I'm getting 12 out of the plane, option C. You all also did by same method?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Mass is moving with constant velocity parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Mass is moving with constant velocity. Then it's angular momentum with respect to origin. So when we say L is mvr, r is perpendicular distance. So about origin, perpendicular distance will be y coordinate, which is constant, correct or not?
Yes.
So L is mass constant, V constant, Y constant. This whole thing will become constant. That means it will remain constant. Perpendicular distance from the axis where it is moving is Y. Y becomes R. So parallel axis के लिए about origin it is constant. Therefore answer is constant. Okay. Done? Yes, done?
Yes. Yes.
So tell fast. Next sum. Sum number 30. If kinetic energy of rotation is double than angular momentum, kinetic energy is doubled. Rotation of the body is double, kinetic energy is double. Angular momentum, can I think of this formula?
Yes, sir.
Because बाकी उसमें velocity change होएगा, angular momentum is L and I का relation, I is constant for given axis. So E1 upon E2 is L1 upon L2 whole square. I use this formula because they want angular momentum. I is constant, तो ये दो का relation मिल जाएगा, so I use this formula. So twice of E1 is L1 upon L2 square. That means when you take square root 1 by R2, root 2 is L1 by L2. So L2 is root 2 times L1. So root 2 times initial value, option C. Done?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 31. Mass 10 kg is moving with constant speed 0.5 meter per second parallel to x-axis. Shortest distance from the origin is 20 centimeter. What is angular momentum about origin? Angular momentum is MVR. Shortest distance means perpendicular distance. So 10 into 0.5 into 20 centimeter 10 raised to minus 1 minus 2. So 20 into 1 and 2 zeros will get cancelled. 0.2 into 5 1. 1 meter per second, option B. Same answer got?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, अगला वाला आया.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Option B.
Option B.
Yes, sir.
Mass 50 kg. The shortest distance, no, sorry, angular acceleration of body of mass 50 under acceleration of torque of magnitude 500 Newton meter is 25 radian per second square. Radius of gyration about the axis nearly equal. So first by torque I alpha formula, correct na?
Yes,
Same you
sir.
might, okay. उसके बाद torque is 500, I into alpha 25. So I will become 20. That means mk square is 20. Same you have used?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
50 k square is 20. K square is 2 by 4. K equals to
0.6.
0.4 in root, which is close to 0.36 because both लोग में 0.2 लिखा रहेगा. So 0.6 is the correct answer. 0.2 लिखा ला तो उसका स्क्वायर देखो 0.04 होगा, not 0.4. So that's why only chance of mistake, you may take square root of 0.4 as 0.2, which is not 2, it is 0.6. $33 also got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 34.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, sir. हाँ 5:30 को भेज रहा जूम पे. Okay. $33. 33 you got, you are saying na? 34.
Yes.
34 also got? 34 आया क्या? शायद नहीं आया रहेगा.
No, sir.
X axis, Y axis, Z axis. There are 3 rods of length L, mass M, placed as shown in the figure. Moment of inertia about Z axis. Moment of inertia about Z axis means this axis. So this first and second, for them, is it axis at one end for I1 and I2? Is it axis at one end? ऐसा पास हो रहा है तो one end, बराबर ना? Is it axis at one end?
Yes, sir.
What is moment of inertia of rod at one end? ml square by 3.
ML.
ml square by 3, correct? And this axis ये body में ही है, मतलब I of third one will be 0. So net I will be I1 plus I2 plus I3, which is ml square by 3 plus ml square by 3 plus 0. So it is 2 by 3 ml square. 2 by 3 ml square, option. Sorry. If done, then tell.
Sir, which question was this?
This was 34.
In my
30.
book,
Yes,
it is
sir.
different.
This is not there in the book. 1 minute. In your sheet, it is not there. Let me check. एक minute. For you, this is not given. 8 second, 8 second, 8 second, 8 second. Change in angular momentum. Oh, चलो ये आप एक्स्ट्रा लिख लो फिर, आपके उसमें नहीं दिया है. This is extra you write down, ठीक है?
So what's the question?
Moment of inertia of 3 rod, one lying along x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. This is extra. 3 rods of length L, mass M, are along x, y, z axis. Find moment of inertia about z. Shall I clear it now?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 35, you all got answer? 35? Given figure, that one, got the answer?
No, sir.
Okay. Given figure shows a triangular plate of thickness and density. A force F is applied perpendicular to PQ. Q इधर है. At distance R, such that it rotates about P. And then such that it rotates about Q. Then if R is midpoint, what is relation between alpha 1, alpha 2 angular acceleration? Force is applied perpendicular to Q. Here you are applying force F. Force F, force F. What this first force will do to the body? Give rotational motion. Second ko bhi rotational motion. Yes, body will rotate if force is applied
Yes,
at
sir.
that point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for rotation, it requires torque. What is torque formula in terms of force? Is it RF?
RF.
Because force is perpendicular. So can I say T1 will be PR into F and T2 will be F ka distance from this QR into F? Okay,
Yes, sir.
but PR is same as QR.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, torque in first is same as second. तो I1 alpha 1 equal to I2 alpha 2. I hope इधर तक तो आपको समझ में आया है ना? इधर तक समझ गया?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
अब ये प्रोडक्ट कांस्टेंट मतलब इनवर्स होता है ना? When I say x, y is coming same, so can I say x and y are inversely proportional?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मतलब अगर मुझे I1 बड़ा मिला तो मैं बोलूंगा अल्फा 1 छोटा and vice versa. For this body, particles are away from axis. First के लिए
Yes, sir.
and second वाला axis के लिए close है ना?
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
from
Come
this,
on.
I1 should be greater than I2, no? Particles are away
Yes, sir.
means inertia will be more.
Yeah, sir.
See, समझेगा कैसा आपको? I1 greater than I2 since in first case particles are away. So alpha 1 should be less than alpha 2. Either answer B. B. Hello? Yeah. क्या? नाम कैंसिल करो ना. If you complete, please tell.
Done.
Okay. If, 36. If constant couple of 900 Newton meter, couple means torque, is applied, turns a wheel of moment of inertia 100 kg meter square about an axis passing through center, angular velocity gain. Gain means change in angular velocity in time 2 seconds. Whenever you see torque and I, first step start, torque is I alpha. Then alpha, you know, change in angular velocity upon time. So 500 equals to 100 into change in omega upon 2 second, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0 cancel, 10 equals to angular velocity, option A. Chalo, can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sum number 37. A string is wrapped around rim of a wheel of moment of inertia 0.20 kg meter square and radius of 20 centimeter. The wheel is free to rotate about axis. Initially, wheel is at rest. Initially, wheel is at rest. The string is pulled by force of 20 Newton. angular velocity, that means final, after time 5 seconds. So whenever it is pulled by, इधर से धागे से बांधा है, then it is pulled. Pulled means it will give torque. Correct ना? Pulled means gives torque,
Yes, sir.
which rotates about x of rotation. तो एक फॉर्मूला f में है, दूसरा अल्फा में भी है ना फॉर्मूला. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इज इट व्हील? व्हील का आई दिया है हम लोग को 0.20. अल्फा मीन्स ω2 माइनस ω1 अपॉन टाइम equal to r is given 20 centimeter, so 10 raised to minus 2 and f is 20.2. Omega, this I can write as ω2 I want minus 0, time is 5 equals to 400 into 10 raised to minus 2. 0.2 is 2 into 10 raised to minus upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. Any doubt in this till this? Hello, hello.
No, sir.
Till this any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
तो हो गया ना, ω2 is 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 10 100. 100 is the answer.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now 38. A wheel having rotational inertia 0.16 kg meter square rotates with 240 revolution per minute about vertical axis. Angular speed we want when torque of minus 0.81 Newton meter is applied for time 2 seconds. Torque is I alpha. Minus 0.81 is 0.16, alpha is ω2 minus ω1 upon time. 0.16 into 5 is 80. So 0.5 equals to ω2 minus 240 revolution per minute, convert into per second, upon time 2. So minus 10, 60 into 4 equal to ω2 minus 8 pi. So ω2 is minus 10 plus 8 pi is 3.14. Minus 10 plus close to, this is 25.12. That means it is approximately 15. Answer 15 radian per second. 15 option C. Done.
Yes.
39. From 39 onwards, around 5-6 sums are based on law of conservation of angular momentum. A wheel hello. Hello. Yes, today's lecture we stop here. There is some parents meeting. 1 hour extra can you devote tomorrow?
Yeah, 9 to 10.